Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to remove the door. This is on a ZLine. Now it's pretty straightforward. What you want to do, you could either use 2 small screws or anything that is large enough to fit into the holes. When you look closely at the hinge, when it's lowered, the door, you'll see 2 holes, and firmly hold the door with 2 hands and lift gently until it basically comes out of the hinge holder. And then you might want to either clean the door or maybe putting on a new door, whatever the reason is. And then you slowly insert it. Don't release the door until you feel it. And even when you go to close, make sure you're holding it firmly and then close it. That's it. Alright, I'm going to show you how to adjust the flame on your ZLine range. You'll have a little screwdriver, and what this is going to do is going to allow you to lower or raise the flame. You might want it just to be less. So for example, let's say you want it to be lower than what the factory sets it. You would insert your screwdriver and you'll feel a little slot. Once you engage it, it will be hard to turn. Not difficult, but you will feel the resistance. Now you would turn clockwise to lower the flame. This is after you've turned it to the minimum, and then you can fine tune it and lower the flame to your desired amount. And that's pretty much how you would do that. And of course, to increase it, you would do the opposite. And then put the knob back on and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.